Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. In today's video, it is going to be a super casual, laid back home decor haul. I'm just going to be taking you all around throughout the house and share what is new, what I recently purchased as far as home decor. I know I usually do this in like sit down style, so you have to let me know what you think about this more casual, walk around the house and show you the new things in each room style video. Hopefully you all like it. So yeah, with all that being said, if you want to see all the new home decor in our home, then please just keep on watching. But really quickly, before we get into today's video, I wanted to give you another follow-up, like sort of review on the Cozy Earth bedding and pajama set that I have. I absolutely love them, you guys. I will have a code here on the screen. You can use Lanelle35. I love the bedding. It is so incredibly soft. We've had it for a while now. We've washed the bedding a few times at this point. It's held up nice. Love, love, love the color. I'm honestly obsessed with this. I usually get white, but this like taupey color is so beautiful. The sheets themselves are made out of this bamboo material that feel so nice. It is honestly so soft. So yeah, you guys, like I said, just wanted to update you really quickly. I'll have the link down below. And now let's get back into the video.
Okay guys, so to start off, I went tray crazy. I got so many different trays. I don't know, I just feel like they're very versatile and they can go in many different places. You can have them by a sink in the kitchen, a sink in the bathroom, in the kitchen off to the side, under a cabinet. Like I just feel like they go so many places. You can also put them on like coffee table. So I wanted to pick up a few. First, I got this beautiful stone tray with silver handles. I think this is just gorgeous. Like I'm picturing if you have a double sink vanity and you put this in the middle, have your soap, have a little faux stem action going on, maybe a little candle. Are you visualizing this? I feel like it would just be so cute. And then I have these two trays are from Homegoods, but I will try to find something similar. I just think this gold one is so pretty. I would have this out even like shelf styling, again, putting a candle on top, styling a coffee table. I just think that this is like a really cute size to add with different like decorative objects. I love the gold color, you know this, and I also love the handles on this. So this one over here is also from Homegoods. It's very, very simple. I feel like you could make this. To me, again, like soap, hand lotion, a little candle in the bathroom. Like I just think this is really cute. Okay, and speaking of Instagram, if you follow me on Instagram, I filmed an entire reel about redecorating this coffee bar area. So pretty much everything over here is new. Not the knives or the faux stem in the vase, but everything over towards the left is brand new. I wanted to make this area a coffee bar because we have this huge Breville coffee machine. You guys, I got this during Amazon Prime because it was $200 off, and Rob and I have been wanting one. Mainly Rob, he's kind of getting me into coffee, so I'm turning out to be a little coffee girl. I've been posting my coffee, iced coffee journey, trying to find the perfect recipe, and I really, really like this. So far so good. It is a little bit of a learning curve, I guess. For me, for Rob, he knew what to do right away, but for me, I was like, what are these buttons, what's going on? So he's really been like teaching me. It's been fun, so I really like this. Right now, as I'm filming this video, the closest I've come to a perfect coffee is like an 8.7, maybe a 9. So we're getting there, but I really like this machine. So anyway, over here, as far as the decor, a lot of this is Homegoods, but I will link as much as I can. I actually was able to find the exact link to this tray. So we've got more trays on the channel. This one is I'm pretty sure it's called a geode. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've seen it online, but I don't know if the pronunciation is correct. But anyway, it basically looks like crystals. It is absolutely stunning. It's very similar to the one that I showed you earlier with the silver handles, but I think this is just so pretty. And then on top, I just have this like organic black bowl, and we just have like our coffee pods in here for our other coffee machine. We don't use these in this one. I don't know if you can. You guys, I'm new to this. Pretty sure you can only use the coffee beans in this one. That's what Rob has used so far. So I don't think you can use those, but I don't know, I could be wrong. And then I have a new frother over here. I just thought I went with the coffee theme. I have some containers over here from Homegoods. I just think these are really, really cute and very organic and natural looking. They're just really, really simple, not much to it. I have coffee in them, obviously, and then I have coffee table books, so it's very coffee themed, even though the books themselves, like red carpet Oscars, like that does not have anything to do with coffee. It has nothing to do with the kitchen, really. I probably should move that, but it's for the aesthetic, it's for the vibe. The girls that get it, get it. I have a Paris book, feels like home, and it's just very neutral and it fits the theme. I just think this area is very, very cute, and I love all the new items. Okay, and then sticking in the kitchen, I got this. It's like a vase. I have this actually in a vase. Okay, it's not a vase, it's a candle. Let me start off. It is a candle. Let me start that over, run that back. It is a candle in here, but it looks like a vase. I actually have a version of this that is an actual empty vase. It's white. If you've been following for a while, it's in the office. You know this. But they have a black version that's a candle, and I think this is just so cute. I love the knots, I guess. I don't know what to call these, like little like knots, dots, knots, I don't know. But I think it just looks really, really nice here in the kitchen. It adds like a little like black accent. We light it so it looks really pretty. And yeah, this is the black vase slash candle. And I think it's just really cute here in the kitchen. Okay, so moving on over here to the living room, I purchased Jo Malone candles for the very first time. Hold on. For the very first time. I know I'm very late, but they're pricey. I purchased, I want to say 4 of these small candles, and it was very expensive. I got mine from Sephora, but I know you can obviously get it at a Jo Malone, like not a kiosk in a department store, but like a section in a department store. But the closest for me in the small town that I live in is Sephora. So anyway, I think they smell really, really good, most importantly, but they do burn quick. I really have not had this very long. I only burn this like sparingly. Like if I am, you know, home and it's just me and it's a quiet moment and I want to set a vibe, I'll burn this. But like if I'm being completely honest, if the kids are running around, like I'm not having this, my good candle burning when it's like a hectic situation. This is my I'm at peace candle. I love the smell. It smells really, really clean, really like natural, but in a good way, but only if it's like a peaceful moment. I'm really picky about when I burn this, but I do really like the smell. I don't know if it's worth it because like I said, it burns quick. It does smell good. We'll see if I ever buy these again. Okay, and moving over to this side of the living room, I actually did a campaign on Instagram. So this might look very familiar. My Instagram girls, you know where I got this from, but I absolutely love this vase. I think this is beautiful. Like it is such great quality. It's so nice. And I love how it's black and it's got like the white stripes. It looks very organic to me, which fits perfectly with, you know, the decor that I'm trying to go for. It fits the vibe. And I think this is just really, really pretty. It looks nice with the other decor pieces that I have here on the media console. And yeah, I just really like it. It's small, she's small but cute, and it's definitely like more of like a statement with the pattern, and I just really like it. Okay, and sticking with that same campaign that I talked about that I did on Instagram, I have this knot here, and I don't know, I kind of get the same vibe with decorative chains that I do with this little decorative knot here. I like them, and I know that they were really like trendy a while ago, maybe not so much anymore, but I still think that this is really cute. I love that it's wooden. I love that it's like a cool toned, almost like a whitewash or gray wash on the wood. And I think it's just really cute. I feel like it looks nice on the mantle. It's just like a cute decorative object. And I feel like most spaces need little things like this. So I give it a thumbs up. Okay, so sticking with the campaign that I did on Instagram, I actually got this toaster oven. You guys, can we just talk about how cute this toaster oven is? I cannot. We've had it for, I want to say like a week at this point, and we've used it every single day. So every morning we use this for the kids for breakfast. The toast turns out perfect. It's like a nice golden brown. I mean, it's really, really nice. It's a good toaster. It does what it needs to do. I absolutely love this line. If you know what you know, it's just not only stunning and gorgeous, but it's really good. I like it. I know some people have like mixed reviews about it, but I personally like it. We also have this is not new, but we've had their, I'm pretty sure it's electric kettle. We've had this for a very long time. Love it. I think it's gorgeous. It's stunning. We use it every day. We have our tea. Obviously, we boil hot water in here, and it's just so pretty, like the golden white. Come on. So of course I had to get this toaster over here. I love it. It's really, really good. So far, so good. I give it 2 thumbs up. Okay, so moving on over here in the sunroom, you'll see on the coffee table, I have another Joe Malone candle. I haven't even burned it yet because I know it's gonna go quick. So I just wanna like preserve it. But over here, I wanted to show you this coffee table book that I got. You guys, if you have been waiting for pops of color on the channel, here is a pop of color. It is blue. You're probably like, girl, I never thought I was gonna see blue on your channel, but I don't care. I love it, and I love this book. That's one of the main reasons why I wanted to get this. It's basically what it says, a preacher's guide to celebrating the good life. It's all very like celebratory. It's Paris and what people in Paris do and traditions and, you know, having lunch in Paris and good etiquette, and this is what we do over here. And like, I just find it really interesting, and I don't know, I just think it's beautiful. I found the author actually on, I think it was either TikTok or Instagram, and she was doing like an interview, and I don't know, I just kind of felt like a connection to it in some way. Like I was like, oh my gosh, I'm really feeling this. I love the idea of this book. So yes, it is blue, but it is gorgeous. I love the blue. Like I think the blue is really, really pretty, even though you all know I always get like neutral colors, but I love the idea of this book. I was actually reading this and flipping through the pages, and yeah, I just really like this book. So I had to get it, and I just have it styled here on the coffee table. Okay, and then moving on over here on this side of the sunroom, I actually was gifted this in PR, but I really, really like this. You all know I love Voluspa candles. I have been burning their candles. Honestly, I should have stuck to Voluspa. I shouldn't have gotten the Joe Malone, but I have been burning their candles for literally years, even like before I was doing YouTube, like when Rob and I lived in Brooklyn. And so being gifted this was like next level, obviously, but I absolutely love the idea of a diffuser. I'm not a big diffuser girl, but I really like this because you don't have to think about it. You can just set it up on the mantle and it fills the room. It smells really good. This is the scent French Cade lavender, and it smells amazing. It's a clean smell. There are hints of lavender, but it's just very clean, very fresh, very nice for this time of year, and I absolutely love it, and I love like this shade of it. So yeah, maybe I am going through like a blue phase. I don't know, because this is kind of blue too, but I feel like it looks really nice in this room on the mantle. I don't know, it kind of fits with the decor, even though it is blue. Okay, so a couple more things. I got this candle, and it's actually, let me see the scent. I'm pretty sure it's like a fall scent. Birchwood and cashmere. I guess it's not fall, but something about it reminded me of fall. It's probably just the color of the actual candle glass here. I think this is really, really pretty. It's a huge candle. I was thinking of putting this either like on the mantle, maybe in the sunroom, maybe even up in our bedroom. I'm not quite sure where I'm gonna put this yet, but I just really liked the detail of the candle, and obviously I liked the way that it smelled, so I had to pick it up. I think I've burned it like a couple times at this point, and it smells amazing. It's really nice, and yeah, what else can I say? It's a really nice candle and I like it. And then the last thing that I picked up is actually still in the box. Hold on, let me open it. It's supposed to be just like a cordless garlic mincer, an onion mincer. Like you're supposed to just like press the button and it like minces up your garlic and your onion for you, which I don't know if I'm the only one that I feel like mincing garlic is so difficult with just a knife. Like, I don't know, peeling it, cutting it up, like it's just challenging to me. So I'm hoping that this makes that job a lot easier. Here, let's open it up together. Okay, so it looks like this. It looks really, really cute. And it's chargeable. You just press on, and it's supposed to just like cut up the garlic. You can put onion in here. So I just feel like this will be really convenient with cooking. You just kind of like chop up your onion. I would do just like a rough chop to be able to fit it in here, and then press it and it'll mince up your onion. So if you're cooking like a pico de gallo, oh my gosh, my nail. Ignore that, ignore my nail. If you're making like a pico de gallo or some sort of like pasta salad thing and you need like minced
onion, this would be perfect. I will keep you all posted to see how I like this. But yeah, I'm excited. It's cute. You press it should be easy enough. So yeah, you guys, that is pretty much it. That is everything in this home decor haul video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Like I said, everything will be linked down below. You have to let me know what you think of this style, casual, vlog style-esque home decor haul. I really enjoyed filming it, so definitely let me know. But yeah, you guys, with all that being said, all of my new home decor finds, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.